Why do you need an approval letter rather than just a pre-qualification? It can end up costing you thousands of dollars if you aren't truly qualified before you start the home buying process. Hi, I'm Miley Barcus in Brentwood, Tennessee. I've helped many buyers from making huge mistakes when purchasing a home that could have cost them thousands of dollars. A pre-qualification is not a true approval. It's just the initial step in the home loan process where you just discuss your financial situation with the loan officer, but nothing is actually verified. The approval is where the buyer actually provides the lender with all the necessary documentation needed to prove what they are approved for, which loan product is the best option for them, and it gives the buyer a better idea of the mortgage interest rate. You want to go through the entire approval process, every single step. The lender will do things like verify your employment, see your taxes, look at your bank statements. They will truly verify everything you will need to let you know how much they will loan you and what your payment will be. It's essential that you do this. Otherwise, you could stand to lose your initial earnest money deposit and any money you've spent on things like inspections or the appraisal. Don't fall into that trap. I can help navigate you through this process and connect you with an excellent lender. I can also help you with the sale of your home. I'm Miley Barcus. Let me walk you through the safest and most strategic way to become a homeowner. I am here to protect you and your best interest.